Clarifion is designed to reduce air contamination using a process called negative ionization. It begins the moment Clarifion is plugged in. The device generates millions of negative ions every second, releasing them into the air. Negative ions bond to floating particles like dust, dander, pollen, mold, and bacteria, making these airborne toxins too heavy to float, so they fall to the ground, leaving the air cleaner, fresher, and easier to breathe. Unlike high-maintenance air purifiers, Clarifion doesn't use a filter and requires no upkeep. It's super compact and comes in durable 100% ABS plastic housing. It's also whisper quiet and works in any standard outlet using only about 1 watt of power. Clarifion works to help reduce allergy symptoms and sinus issues by removing airborne germs. Start breathing cleaner, fresher indoor air today with the Clarifion Air Ionizer.